Now what we want to do is to work on the panels of this monument. As you can see, we have 3 columns of panels. So now select the sweep and go to Surface, Deconstruct BWrap, under Analysis, Surface Analysis, Deconstruct BWrap. BWrap is the acronym of Boundary Representation. Connect the sweep with Deconstruct BWrap, and as you can see, the output of this component, the outputs are faces. So we have 3 faces, edges, and vertices. Now we need to obtain the panels, we need the divide two-dimensional domain. This component works on the mathematical domain, not on the surface itself, but on its domain. As you can see, the default value for U and V are 10. With panel, we can see that we have a chain cable because we have 1 branch for each surface, and for each surface we have 100 subdomain. As you can see, each branch has a set of subdomain. Now we need isotrim to obtain the related subsurfaces. So connect the faces output from the Deconstruct BWrap and connect. We should connect the subdomains, but as we can see, we have to make the 2 cable consistent. So we can use graph tree, connect the faces with graph tree, and graph tree to surfaces, to the input surface of isotrim. Now as you can see, we have the 3 surfaces that compose the sweep in 3 different branches, and we can relate the subdomain to each surface. Isotrim is under Surface Utilities Isotrim. Now the composition of this panel is not exactly how we want it, because the panels are vertical, so we have to change the subdivision. We can see if we change the value V, the panels, the vertical panels are more dense, but we need just 3 elements horizontally, and we can increase the subdivision, the U subdivision. We can change the max value by 200. And now this subdivision resembles the original one. As you can see here, the ghost geometry looks like darker due to the overlapping of the several geometries that we have generated. So to have a clear vision of what we are doing, we have to turn off several elements, the construct to be wrapped, the sweep, the graph tree, so we can have just the isotrim now. If we connect the isotrim to the panel, we can see that we have for each face a set of panel divided in branches. Now to change the appearance of this panel, we can use the custom preview under display, preview, custom preview, and color switch to change the color. You can see it under params, input color switch. Double click on the color. We can choose gray, a dark gray. Connect the color switch with the M parameter and the geometry with the G parameter, the G input. And now, as you can see, the panel are colored in gray. But this is just a visualization of this geometry.